Hello everyone, welcome you back to my YouTube channel where we go through the basic computer skills. So I thank you for your time, and I hope by the end of this video your computer skills are improved quite significantly. So today I simply want us to go through how you can the basics of Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is simply a presentation software designed by Microsoft to help you design slides in case you have a presentation for maybe a school, for maybe a project, in kind of company or stuff. You can use Microsoft PowerPoint to design your presentation and to be quite kawa. Okay, so to dive into the app, if you open the app, they bring for you different options. Here they show you the already designed documents which are already there. Now here they show you the options for making a new document. For example, if you want a blank one, if you want, now these are different templates. Okay, you choose any which looks nice to you. If you want more, you can come here. So assuming I choose Berlin, that's the template I want. So if you have chosen your template that you're going to use, they bring for you something like this, whereby you can come here, just double tap, you add your title. Okay, maybe you're going to put the heading of the project and stuff. Then here you may put the subtitle, maybe presented by, or any other subtitle of your choice, depending on what you're presenting and what you're designing. In case, of course, you can't do a presentation with one slide, so right here this side you'll have your slide pane. Okay, so here they will show you the number of slides you have designed and how they look like. If you want to add a new slide, you just come here, new slide, and you tap, and they bring for you want a slide of which kind. Maybe this one was just a title slide, now the next one you want content, so you choose which one you want. Maybe you want a blank one, maybe you're going to insert tables. You choose any depending on which data type you're going to enter and how you want it to appear. So after choosing your next slide to appear right there, so you can just come here, tap it, and then you add the content that you want. Okay, assuming you want to add maybe a video, maybe you want to add a picture to your presentation, that's also quite simple. Just come here to insert. When you come to insert, you can see pictures. All the things are self-explanatory. Okay, these tabs is basically a compression of commands that can help you simplify your work. In case you want to insert anything, you want to insert charts, they can't put of them there, so they design the commands in two tabs. So just choose a tab if you want to insert, if you want to draw, if you want to design, slideshow, anything. So make use of those tabs. Okay, so you come here to insert a picture. Do you want to get it from internet, from your device, or whatever? If you want from your device, you tap that, and they will take you to where you store your images. Okay, so you just have to pick the image if it is there. Now as for me, I don't have any as of now, but you just go where you stored. Here you can select, maybe it is in the desktop, maybe it is somewhere else. You can pick that picture, then here they'll bring for you the option of inserting. Okay, and that's all you have to do. That is for pictures. In case it is a video, the video is also very simple. You just come here to video, then you say from this device. So you want to select to get one online, is also very fine, but for this case, if it is on my device, you already put it somewhere. You just come here and then you choose where you want your videos are, okay, that you want to insert. For example, if I come here, this is where my videos are, and I want to insert maybe this. You tap it, then they will bring for you insert. Then you confirm the command, and the document will be, and the video will be right there. Okay, so you can see that everything is very simple. Nothing is hard, nothing hard is there. This was basically designed to simplify your work. So here you insert the file name and stuff. After inserting it, then you can insert the video where you want it. Okay, that is for videos. So you select the one you want, and you're good to go. Now in case you want to insert maybe a shapes already there, you can see. If you want to design one of your own, you go to draw. If you want to insert a chart, all the rest are very simple. Now after all that, and you have finished doing all this, and so after designing your slides, whatever the number may be, now you have to insert transitions. How you want to transit from one slide to the next? How long do you want to take per slide? Do you want it to be automated? All those options are there. Okay, so you come here to transitions. Now you insert which transition do you want. Do you want it to swipe? Do you want it to push? Any that you want? So there are very many. There are very many. You can see there are more. Those are just some of them, but there are very many. So it gives you a wide range of options to choose from depending on your choice. Okay, so that is it for now, but stay tuned for the next video. We shall go through how to design your slides, maybe how to use Slide Master and so on. Maybe one thing you can add is this. You just show you can use this to set the time, like how long do you want to take to transit from one video to the next. Maybe you want the presentation to be automated. All that is very possible. And if you want to see, maybe you have already designed your presentation and you want to see how is it going to look like, you can come here and then they will show you how is your presentation going to look like. How long will you take from one to the next? Will it be done by you or it will be done by the app? So all those are options for you. So that is all you have to do. So please stay tuned. I thank you for your time. Don't forget to share, to subscribe and to follow up. See you in the next video.